Here are the ingredients: 1 onion and 1 garlic, 2 pieces eggs, 1 bundles of spring onion, 1 pack of super cute tin bihon, cornstarch, 2 packs of Mama Sita's palabok mix, 1 pack of pork chicharon, fish sauce, 1 shrimp cubes, 1 block of tofu, and ground pork. Here are all the ingredients we need. Without further ado, let's start cooking. Let's remove the garlic roots so that when we crush them, they will be easier to peel. Slice the garlic thinly and finely chop it. Crush the chicharon well to use as a topping for our Pancit Luglog. Next, crush the tofu into small pieces for the Pancit Luglog sauce. Pour 1 liter of water into a large bowl to dissolve the 2 packs of palabok mix. Then add 1 piece of shrimp cube. Mix well. In a small basin, place 1 pack of tin bihon. Next, slice the spring onions to use as a topping for our Pancit Luglog. Boil 2 eggs in the water. Next, blanch the bihon with hot water to soften and cook them. Let's prepare the sliced garlic for toasting and use it as a topping for our Pancit Luglog to enhance the flavor. We will now cook the palabok sauce. Add a little oil and saute the garlic. Next, add the ground pork and pan fry it. add the crushed tofu for the sauce. Pour in the prepared 2 sachet of Mama Sita's palabok mix along with 1 shrimp cube to enhance the flavor. This is optional, only if you prepare. Cover the sauce with a lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Look at how beautiful the sauce is, but it will look even better when we add annatto. Let's place the annatto seeds in the strainer and slightly submerge them in the sauce to release their color. There you go, its color is starting to look better. Let's add a tablespoon of fish sauce for flavor. We can add more if needed. Add a teaspoon of sugar. And to thicken the sauce, let's add a slurry or cornstarch. The pot seems a bit small. I'll transfer it to a larger pan for convenience. It's plating time. Let's place it on a large tray. Next, let's pour the thick and delicious sauce. It looks great and is loaded with ingredients. Sorry about that. I forgot to add the crushed chicharon. But still, I added it before we started eating. It was absolutely delicious. So tasty. Please don't forget to